The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
We're starting to get results in from that till survey, and we hope to get that out into the market. That's an extra layer of data, which on top of the geophysics and the EM survey, really start to highlight the pipeline of opportunities that we have at Cape Ray.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Omega Metals Managing Director and CEO Sam Pazuki. Sam, very good to speak with you. The EM survey at the Cape Ray Gold Project revealed a major new anomaly near the central zone. What makes this such a compelling drill target for Omega?
Yeah, so I mean, this is work that we've been looking to do for a couple years. Just due to equipment availability, we weren't able to do it until this year. I'm glad we did because what we've revealed through the electromagnetic survey are a number of different anomalies across the Cape Ray project, including the one that you're referring to, which frankly is a massive anomaly. It's likely it's larger than what you see there because the survey, as it always is the case, is cut off. But this is an area that is half a kilometer away from the central zone deposits, which is our largest deposit. It's also our highest grade deposit at 3 grams. And this is an area that people have been driving past for the last 2 decades, and very little to no exploration work so far.
Drilling's fully funded for the current quarter. How quickly could results from this program impact the resource base at Cape Ray?
Yeah, so the resource base is something we've been looking at now more seriously over the last six months. We updated our resource 2 years ago, 610,000 ounces at 2 grams, using a gold price of 1,750 gold. We also, when we did a resource update, we excluded silver from that resource, but there is actually a material amount of silver in our resource, and so we're looking at the resource in general. We've done drilling in the last couple of years, very limited or modest drill programs, which show that there are extensions to the known deposits. Something like this with this new anomaly would be in addition to whatever it is that we come up with once we do a resource update. So we have boots on the ground right now to get an extra layer of data in preparation for drilling, which, as you've mentioned, is fully funded. And so all this information will obviously help us in terms of the work that we've been looking at and doing for the last 6 months to 12 months.
Beyond the new target, you've outlined several additional EM anomalies. How do these fit into your broader exploration pipeline?
Yeah, so Cape Ray, when you look at the history of it, there's been a lot of exploration. With the resource we have, there's been 100,000 meters of drilling that's been completed. But when you look at where those drill holes have been, 99% of them have actually been inside the deposits, but not along strike and not too many that have gone deep. Most of our mineralization is less than 150 meters. So it's been the same story where a junior has a little bit of money and just keeps drilling the safe stuff because they know they're going to get some results. We've been expanding that footprint. And the anomalies that we've identified beyond the massive one that we've highlighted in the latest news release show that, yeah, there's a number of different areas that are of interest to us, including one in an area called Cape Ray West, which is where we've completed a large till survey and also mapping a sampling exercise. We're starting to get results in from that till survey, and we hope to get that out into the market. That's an extra layer of data, which on top of the geophysics and the EM survey, really start to highlight the pipeline of opportunities that we have at Cape Ray. So we're super excited about what we're seeing so far. This is the work that's necessary to be able to make those big discoveries, which is what we're here for.
Well, Sam, I hope you'll continue to keep us posted on progress there. Thank you very much for the update today.
Yeah, appreciate it, Stephen. Thank you.
Omega Metals Managing Director and CEO Sam Pazuki.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.